Yan, game na. 5, 6, 7, go!
Ano pipindutin ko itong bilog uli?
Wala. Wala. Meron pala. Ewan ko. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry. Curse at the wind. He broke his own heart and that much. He tried to reach a ceremony. And Mama was sure she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised. Never think of love, just not exist. Darling, you are the only exception. You are only exception. You are only exception. You are the only exception. Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul, love never lasts. Able to find another way, make it alone, keep us faith. The always live like this, isn't it comfortable? Listen. Up until now, I have proven to myself that I'm content.
Mapagod na ako.
You are only exception. You are. Ano gusto mong tugtugin ko?
Kahit ano?
Jit lang.
Di, ano?
Sige, te. Yan, di ba naman?
Stop ko na.
Sabi mo tutugtog ako. Ah,
Ito,
sige,
no?
sige. Yung nga.
Ito to. Pindutin na to.
Mamaya. Yan. Isa pa.
Hindi pa
5, 6, 7, go. Isa pa nga. Nilaglag. Ibon kong lumipad, sumabay sa akin, ako'y napatingin sa lalagang napapalat ng iwaga. Napapansin kaya, dami ng iyong ginagawa. Kung kaagaw ko ay bula, may pag-asa bang makilala ka? Netflix agad sa pangit, sa sobrang negra sumitingin sa likod ng mga tala. Kahit tulak ng Netflix, rock and roll. Ikaw.